Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and creating a new base plate, then save with a clear name. Once done, enable Explorer and Properties so you can see parts and settings. Make sure Anchor and Can Collide defaults are understood. You should collect 2-3 reference images and pick simple colors now, because visual direction speeds decisions. Next, insert basic parts, spheres, and cylinders, and place them roughly where the head, body, wings, and feet will go so you can refine shapes. You now shape the penguin. Select sphere parts for head and torso, scale them to match references, and position them hierarchically. Once parts align, either union or weld them. Union for a single mesh, weld for movable sections. Make wings from slim cylinders, a small wedge or cone for the beak, and flattened cylinders for feet. Paint using your palette for consistency. Then add a humanoid or motor 6D joints, depending on whether you want an NPC or avatar accessory. And test poses often. You finish by applying textures or surface GUIs, creating 1 or 2 idle and walk animations, and setting collision bounds to avoid clipping. Once polished, set a primary part and export the whole thing as a model, then test and play on desktop and mobile. If the penguin misbehaves, make sure anchors aren't left on movable parts, verify Can Collide settings, check joint orientation and motor 6D indices, and look for script errors in the output. Fix those, then retest until behavior matches expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.